On number 8, we have Marry Me drama. In this drama, we will see to solve the contemporary social problem that is unemployed young adult, the protection program is created. This protection program is called NEET protection program. This program pair a single working person and a single unemployed person to marry each other. Himari Sawatoma is a girl who is 21-year-old NEET. She doesn't have other family member and she does not have any dating experience. She is graduated but she is unemployed. Beside her, we have one Shin Akiyasu, a 28-year-old man who is an elite public officer for the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare. He has dating experience but he has zero desires to marry. They both takes part in the experimental program because he wants to become successful at his job. Due to the NEET protection program, they both get married and begin their married life without having any romantic feelings. But after that, everything changes. But it is not easy for them. So go and watch this beautiful drama of 2020. After that, we have My Uncle Like Cute Things. In this drama, the Mithu Sataka Oji is 43-year-old handsome and work as a sales department manager. He is divorced and lives alone. His colleague respect him at work, but he has a secret. His secret is that he likes little things, including the dolls of the Perk Tarot character. He is obsessed with the cute character, the puff animals, but he cannot exactly tell his colleagues. A comedy centered around his uncle's secret, which depicts the daily struggle of how he gets by in the world with his love of cute things. But also they show the struggle of him and his colleagues in a day-to-day life, and also how this secret become open to everyone. After that, the next drama is a People AI to Kekkon Shikatsu Hajime Mashita. It is set in the Kyoto in the year 2030 and looks at a new form of a love. The businessman, whose name is Kenichi Sumiki, marries a humanoid AI artificial intelligence robot, Pipuru. After failing to secure a relationship with a fellow employee on a long-time crush after she rejected him, he married the AI. He brings his new bride robot home only to be rejected on his wedding night. He brings the AI to its developer, the cold researcher Kidi Miyama, and discovers there is a problem in this robot setting but it cannot be changed. And he starts to live with her, and also this human and a robot love story start. The next drama, Shanai Marriage Honey. In this drama, we will see the young couple, a man and a woman, got married almost immediately after meeting each other through a dating app and did not realize that they were working for the same company, and now they decided to keep their marriage a secret from their colleagues and their friends. At first, both parties thought it's okay to get married without love, but they gradually got attracted to each other. But now they have to keep everything secret from everyone, and also they have to keep the secret their real feelings from each other, because they think that it is not a perfect timing, but the time has something for them. So go and watch this beautiful drama. You are really going to enjoy with a lot of secret, interesting plot and entertainment. The Life Senjo no Bokura. One day after school, the serious boy Ito and the childish-like boy Nishi meet by chance to each other by walking on the sidewalk white line on road. As time goes, the Ito recognizes that he is drawn to Nishi in a way that he is new to him, and Nishi for his part is frustrated that they only get to meet on the sidewalk and not every time. The Ito decides to act upon his feeling and kisses a surprised Nishi, who agrees they need to walk side by side for a change. The sparks between them are undeniable as their relationship blossoms in high school, survive the college years and mature into adulthood. This long-time relationship goals continue, a deeply moving work that bears witness to loving partner whose unchanging feeling must coexist within a world of changing realities, and their long-time relationship goes changes with a change of a time and a reality and with the time of a society. Go and watch this really deep loving drama. After that, we have Itosho no Nina. The Auto Nina is a female student from a Seiru Gakuen and is someone whom Masa fell in love at first sight. The Atushi is another friend went to the Masa's apartment and found that the Nina being tied up, and Atushi was suddenly told by his close friend Masa that Atua Nina has been kidnapped. After hearing that, the school number 1 delegate Yushijama will be arriving there, and Atushi quickly escaped the apartment with Nina. After that incident, the Atushi told Nina that the culprit was Ushijima and not the Masa. However, due to the trauma, the Nina could not sleep at night and told the Atushi to take responsibility by becoming her bodyguard. So go and watch this very confusing drama, but a really great drama. After that, we have love distance drama. Six people living in an apartment building meet and find themselves relating to each other. Two of them are a couple who had married for 3 years, the Takujimi Miwa, a magazine editor who worked from home, and her husband Akira. They look forward to each day despite the changes in their life. The Akira's daily routine is to watch the video of a popular trio on a YouTube, and the three members actually live on the same floor of the apartment building. Another character we have is Asano Chilad, a young photographer who lived next door, lost his job due to the coronavirus. He has been spending his days taking photos from the rooftop of the building, capturing the beauty amid the mundane daily life. One day, when he stepped out onto the rooftop, he saw the girl for the first time and fall in love with her. And this drama is really good drama and everything related to us when we are in a coronavirus pandemic and time when social interaction is restricted and many people are spending their life in a home. So don't waste your time and go and watch this drama. After that, we have a drama Cherry Magic. The Tetsu is a boy who lives in Tokyo, Japan. He is an ordinary high school student and feeling for his childhood friend. And now at a 30 age, he is still a virgin. On his 17th birthday, he gained a special power. A power is to able to touch someone and read their mind or memory by touching them. At first, he was very happy by getting this ability, but after that, he get irritated. And when he accidentally touches his co-worker Kurosawa Yuichi, and he get to know that he has a romantic feeling for him. So he get very confused at first. Then by seeing that how much Yuichi take care of him and also how much he love him, he also developed the feeling for the Yuichi in his heart. But in office it is not that easy, but also they can't hide their feelings anymore. Really enjoyable new drama which is very new and fresh. So go and watch all the dramas of 2020 which I have mentioned.